Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use back camera on Bigo Live while you're live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Bigo Live app. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, open the app and go to Go Live option at the bottom of your screen. That's beside video and chat option. Now you have to go live. Once you go live, you can see there's 3-line menu. Tap on it, and once you tap on that, there's flip option at the top right corner. Tap on it, and guys, that's it. That's how you use back camera on Bigo Live. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.